Hey guys, Tina Service here with Made for Time. Have you ever wondered what your cleaners wish you would tell them but don't? At Made for Time, we want your home to shine exactly the way you imagine it. And the secret is simple. Just tell us what matters most to you. Here's the truth. Every family and every home is different. Some people care most about sparkling bathrooms. Others notice floors, pet hair in the corners that drive you crazy. We don't want to guess. We want to know. When you share your priorities upfront with us, it helps us to focus on the details that matters most to you. What sometimes happens is clients stay quiet. They assume they will figure it out or they feel awkward mentioning it. But if we don't know, we might spend extra time on something you don't even notice while missing the one thing you care most about. That's where misunderstandings start. I've seen it happen. A client really wanted their shower grout spotless, but they never said so. We focused on other areas and they were disappointed. Not because we didn't clean, but because we didn't clean what mattered most to them. So here's what we really want you to tell us. What bugs you the most? What room do you notice first when you walk in the door? What's one thing that would make you feel amazing every single time we leave? Whether it's wiping down the baseboards, keeping the kitchen sink sparkling, or making sure that pet hair doesn't take over, please tell us. Tell us on the phone call. If we missed it the first time, let us know. Your feedback really matters to us. This way, we can give you the exact results you are hoping for. And our goal isn't just to clean your home, it's to give you peace of mind. And that starts with open communication. So next time you book with us, let us know your top priorities. We'll take it from there. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe and share the video with a friend who could use a little less stress at home. Thank you and have a great day.